Got our 2018 Chevy Silverado here. We're going to change out that cabin filter. So first we're going to start underneath the glove box here. We've got a couple Torx bit screws. So we're going to take this one out. And this one over here. So go ahead and get those out of the way. Open up this glove box door. We've got the string retainer down inside here. So I'm gonna get a screwdriver in behind it, push up with the door and pull back on that spring retainer. That'll get that out of the way. And you've got two wing clips on the glove box door. So you're gonna have to pull that in. Same with the other side. Get that door to come down. And we've got two more of those Torx bits up here on the main frame of the door. Here. And here. Go ahead and get those out of the way. Now your box door should pop right out. They're just held in by little spring clips, so you just give a nice pull, it'll come right out. And that exposes our cabin filter. Go ahead, you got a wing tab there, just get behind it, pull backwards. Same with the other side, kind of hard to see, but there's two of those tabs. So this one, you're gonna want the airflow facing down, if you can see that. The lower cage is directly below this filter, so that'll keep sediment from going inside of the blower cage. Once you get that set, you just gotta position these two tabs into these brackets here. Bit of wiring on the right hand side you got to navigate past, but once you get that in place, just push until you hear it snap. And you can go ahead and take your glove box door, reset it back in place, and just push until you hear that click. So now that's set. We can reset our screws in the main frame. Don't go too overly tight. And these are going into a steel retainer, but still don't over torque them. So now that we got that, the hard little bit is getting that string back on here. That's not the easiest little task to do. Kind of reach in here, find that string. Get the glove box door up. You kind of gotta double finger this. Hold it with the left, get it into position, push it in with the right, and it snaps down into place. So go ahead and just push. Glove box door is up. And close the top side. And don't forget, we got the two screws down on the bottom here for the glove box frame. And again, don't over tighten. Just get it nice and snug. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.